The tiger spider. The tiger spider actually has two subspecies. The first is the tiger spider itself. The tiger spider is also very elusive, found in temperate and subtropical forests, with some populations even extending into southern Canada. It's believed that tiger spiders evolved their distinctive orange hues and stripes for the exact same reason that tigers did, that being for camouflage. Animals like deer and boars have what is called dichromatic vision, meaning that they perceive the world primarily through shades of yellow and blue, unlike humans which have trichromatic vision. Because of this, they are not able to differentiate between red and green, meaning that both tigers and the tiger spider appear to them as green, not orange. This is especially useful to the tiger spiders, seeing as they are not true ambush predators, only resorting to ambush tactics rarely, which we will cover in a minute. But for now, let's talk about their hunting and waiting tactic that they share with other consuelids. The tiger spider's silk is a deep orange color, meaning it appears as nothing more than plants to their prey. The tiger spider is very aggressive, and although it will rarely come off of its web, they have been documented to jump down and bluff at potential threats. Due to this, observing them from a safe distance is absolutely crucial. Tiger spiders are also nomadic to a degree, meaning they never stay in one place for too long. If a tiger spider deems one area as insufficient or potentially dangerous, they will eat their web until nothing remains. This process recycles silk, meaning they don't need to waste huge amounts of energy to produce more. Unlike other consuelids, tiger spiders don't live in dense forests with thick canopies, and this means that they are vulnerable to storms and bad weather, especially due to their temperate habitats. Tiger spiders are highly sensitive to changes in barometric pressure, meaning they can adjust their behavior accordingly for upcoming storms. Every time a tiger spider builds a web, it also uses its powerful front legs to burrow into the ground, allowing for them to use these holes as temporary bunkers. When a storm approaches, the tiger spider will eat its web and crawl into the hole, after which it will loosen the surrounding dirt to block off the entrance to its burrow. Once the storm passes, they will re-dig the hole and crawl out. If no significant damage was done to the forest, they will simply respin their web. If damage was done, however, they will move away and try to locate a new home. In cases where there are no sufficient trees around, they will adapt accordingly, taking on the role of ambush predators, pouncing on their prey. Like other species, tiger spiders simply wait perched on their web for a deer, hog, or other prey item stumbles into it. The spider will rush in, grabbing onto it and tearing it apart with its sharp claws and fangs. To them, it does not matter whether or not their prey is dead, as they almost immediately begin consumption. The tiger spider evolved a distinctive, complex mouth system, similar to the Goliath maneater and some other Magnaranius species, featuring proper mandibles and an extended esophagus. This allows the spider to literally chew their food, crushing it into a pulp. Female tiger spiders are estimated to live for around 4 years. Males, however, live for 8. This is because of their reproductive habits. Tiger spiders take around 3 years to reach full maturity. Once maturity is reached, a male tiger spider will locate a female after sensing her pheromones released into the air in autumn. The male will use vibration signals to avoid being eaten himself before mating with the female. After mating, the male must jump from the web and locate another female, and the cycle repeats until winter. If he fails to jump from the web, he will be eaten himself. Both male and female tiger spiders will burrow into the ground and enter a state of hibernation through the winter before re-emerging in the spring. After mating season, the female will do the exact same thing as normal, except before burrowing, she will eat her web. Then, once she is burrowed, she will construct a large web fortress underground and lay her eggs before going into hibernation herself. Once spring arrives, the eggs will hatch, and they will immediately begin consumption on their mother to get their nourishment while she is still asleep. During this stage of life, cannibalism is quite common amongst the offspring, but rarely will less than 50% remain once it is time to emerge. After the mother is consumed, they will eat the mother's silk fortress, and after this, they will finally emerge during the last month of spring. The second subspecies of the tiger spider is known as the hornet spider. Hornet spiders possess a more pointed abdomen, a slightly smaller size, and yellow secondary stripes instead of orange. Hornet spiders also live much farther south, even into the Caribbean. They also showcase burrowing behavior, and they also lay more eggs than tiger spiders. Other than this, they are essentially the same. Both tiger spiders and hornet spiders are known to produce vocalizations. These vocalizations have been studied, and audio recordings of both exist. We will now play the audio recordings from both.